Right, well that's a big bit of bread. See, when I cut bread like this, it just flattens and looks silly. Oh, that knife needs a little bit of loving. It can't even cut through paper. Oh, no, what? Well, what are we gonna do? What is that? Is that a bookshelf or knife shop? Are you meant to do it with water? I'm so clueless. Why has it changed colour, or has he changed sharpeners? Is he trying to show off how many he's got, or what? Oh, I nearly burped. I'm sorry, that. Okay, now that is sexy. You should have prepared us for that part. Oh my God, watch your fingers now. Oh, right, well, don't show all the bits are sorted. Well, I obviously need to sharpen my knives